today we are going to view this beautiful home in Spain. So let's start the video tour. Today at the property we're at is in the town La Nucía. It's just 5 minutes away from Benidorm and 10 minutes away from the coast. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Has a plot size of 1,200 square meters and 330 square meters built.
It's one unique, one special vibe.
It has a spacious garden. We are in Spain. It's where you're going to spend 90% of the time. It has a great big swimming pool, completely renovated. We're actually surrounded by palm trees. That gives you a nice tropical feeling. Living room and kitchen on the same floor, so you come out straight away to this big cozy place, and chill out areas around the home. The garden is perfect to relax. It's full of plants. Like I said before, there's loads of chill out area here to be able to take the sun. Nice dining area. You come out straight away from the kitchen and the living room to here. I can just already imagine myself here with friends and family, sitting here with the garden all lit up at night. Beautiful. We come to the other side of the home, another place to relax, nice fireplace. We also have this beautiful sight from here to all of the garden, and then straight through here, the living room. The living room has a lot of open space and a lot of natural light. The furniture that they're using is top quality. There's a fireplace over here, 3 access to the terrace, and views to the swimming pool and to the terrace. I love this. But look over here. To the dining area, beautiful lamps that they have here, more windows, and then through here, the kitchen. Coming through here, we come to the kitchen that you can see, because on the other room, you have another one. But here, you have everything that you need, and you have top appliances and enough closets. And then coming through here, the master bedroom. Really spacious bedroom, closet, plus you can also street straight out to the swimming pool, and then through here, the bathroom. You come into the walk-in wardrobe and straight to this beautiful bathroom. You have a bathtub with this beautiful Roman design, really big shower, and then here, beautiful sink design with this stone. Really nice feeling it gives me in here. We started from the garden, so I couldn't show you the entrance, but look at this. 2 big open doors, coming to the hallway. Here you go straight into the living room, and then here upstairs to the 2 bedrooms. From the bedrooms, you come out straight to this big spacious terrace that is designed in an L. From this side, you even have views to Albia, to the sea and to the mountain Gelada. And then from this side, you just look at your garden and it's incredible the design it has. Muchas gracias for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And check this playlist out if you want to see more properties like this. I'll see you on the next one.